Hi, Carl Ford here in Atlanta at WebRTC World with Conference and Expo. I'm here with my pal Hugh Goldstein from Voxbone, and you're VP of Strategic Alliances, but we're not going to talk about that. We're going to talk about community, right? And what you guys are doing with your communities. So why don't I ask you first about who you're supporting in the SBC world and what you're doing there?
Okay, well, I'm glad you didn't ask me who I'm supporting in the World Cup today. We are here in Atlanta at WebRTC during the World Cup, so it's kind of in the background.
Hey, we actually, the Americans actually won a game.
We did, and it's a good sign. Yeah, well, Voxbone is a global supplier of DIDs. We have DIDs in 52 countries, and we sell them or lease them to over 800 different types of companies, from conferencing, contact centers, mobile app providers, hosted PBX providers. So we have a wide spectrum of clients, and one thing that all of them have in common is that they connect to us using SIP. So we interface with a lot of different types of SIP equipment vendors, SBCs, soft switches. So as a strategic alliance program, we have a partnership opportunity where we invite companies providing such equipment to partner with us and to do integration testing, optimize their products to allow their clients to take advantage of the Voxbone offer.
Okay, and now you've got a new WebRTC initiative. You want to talk about that?
That's correct. We're offering a very simple, powerful way for companies, our clients in particular, to get started with WebRTC. So we have a beta program running now where they can take code from us, put it on their web page, and have calls flow from the web page using WebRTC into our network. We then transport the call using our private network, and we deliver it as a SIP session to their existing infrastructure. So the benefits there is they can offer WebRTC to their clients immediately with no additional development work. They don't have to purchase any equipment at this stage to interface that WebRTC session into a SIP session, so they can have the call go to their existing conferencing or contact center applications, and they don't have any additional development work to do. So we're running this beta now for about a month and a half, and it's going to go through September, and after that we hope to make it a production service.
So I hate to be dumb, but I'm doing well at it today. So you've got a widget. Is it only for origination, or can it be for termination too?
Do you mean our core Voxbone service?
No, on the WebRTC, when they click,
yeah.
Are they initiating phone calls, or is that a meet point, or how are they making it so that the dial function happens?
Right. Well, currently it's mapped to a particular DID, so that's our core specialty. We
right.
have DIDs in the 52 countries, so each WebRTC session would or call button would be mapped to a particular DID.
Okay.
That's for this phase of the beta in the service, but it's interesting, that the idea of sending calls back to the WebRTC-enabled browser, for example, at-home agent scenarios. So there's a lot of different potential use cases for WebRTC. We're addressing, at this point in time, one of them, or maybe two of them, which would be click-to-talk to reach a contact center, or click-to-talk to reach a conferencing bridge. But
okay.
The next steps are wide open, so there's a lot of potential.
So in effect, you're coming into the ACD on the call center, and it's directing however it wants to, but there's no direct relationship between the end user that's clicking and the DID number. The DID number is associated with the terminating end.
Exactly. The DID is associated with the terminating end.
Okay.
So identity for the WebRTC browser is an interesting topic. So we have another initiative called einem, where we provide basically a special telephone number that's in the 883 country code. Was assigned a slice of it.
The international one.
Yes, it was a slice.
Finally, yes.
einem, it's our einem initiative. So einem is a special number for the internet, and we've given out millions of these numbers to service providers that want to have a special identifier for their IP communication services. So one interesting idea we're starting to think about is how can we use einem in conjunction with WebRTC.
I'm ready when you are. I love that stuff. So give me my mic back. Give me my mic back.
It's all yours.
So okay. So we got the einem with the 883, the international number that's basically makes it so it can go through all the international tandems and switch that way. So you've got connectivity that way. You've got connectivity from the web, and you're also supporting all the guys who are trying to gateway through. So just exactly what part of the universe haven't you touched yet? What's next for you?
Well, Voxbone continues to expand in different ways. One of the product extensions that we are focused on is new coverage areas, so new countries. So in the last 6 months, we added South Korean telephone numbers, which is a really exciting addition to our portfolio. And we're looking at several other countries that will be coming online in the near future.
Cool. Hugh, thanks so much.
Pleasure. Thanks.